me eat.
Come on, you have to laugh like really hard now. This is gonna be really hard if you throw it. That fully went up there. Get that one.
Ow!
With a chair. Take off your shoes.
I should not have done that. You take it off your kids. God damn it. These are hard to put back on.
Yeah, well, I'm crippled.
I can see you falling right now.
Thank God for a video camera. I can't reach it. Can't reach it. Oh, you.
Dude, I would like put a bed up there.
Dusty.
That'd be easy.
Oh my God.
Ew! Dude, that looks like it was big space there. It's like
Shut up, Bella.
oh damn it. Ow.
You can't even catch them. Oh my God!
It was pretty sick. I like tossed it with this hand and I was like.
That was full on.
God, that hurt. It's like right in the corner.
All I did was this. I was like, huh. I didn't do that.
I didn't try to do it like that. Just kind of that was sick.
Because I was just like this. I was like, huh. Bonk. That's what about too.
Yum. Whoa.